Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good evening on that occasion, my friends, and I will present the result of your research and the analysis of understanding of the fundraising strategy of Siswa Find an e-commerce platform on the liturgy of Surabaya State University students. Next slide. Member of the group in number one, Eugenia Kalkalun, number two, Nevinda Salsa Nabila, number three, Binti Royhatul Jana, number four, Nabila Asana Safana. Next slide. Next, here I will explain the abstract purpose of the study. This research aimed to analyze the literacy skill of UNISA students regarding the CISWAP fund fundraising strategies through the e-commerce platform. Because the CISWAP fund fundraising strategies through e-commerce platform can help make it easier for Zakat institution, Wickers, and Musaki to collect CISWAP funds. Methodology: this research employs a quantity approach using proof of sampling as the sampling article, a questionnaire as the data collection tool, and multiple linear regression techniques for data validity testing. The purpose of this research is to explain student understanding of the SISFA fundraising strategy and a common platform. Main finding, the research aims to interact the literature of Surabaya State University students by utilizing SISWAF fundraising practice on e-commerce platform. Notably, after implementing digital distribution through the e-commerce platform service application, the distribution of zakat, infak, sodako, and wakaf fund has been steadily increasing. Furthermore, there have been no indication of usury of Maisir during the implementation process. You can simply distribution Siswa funds by scanning queries of using the available e-commerce vector service. Keywords, fundraising strategy, Siswa, e-commerce study literacy, Islamic economics developments. Next slide.
The picture one above shows that in 2020 there was an increase in poverty level caused by the economic recession resulting from COVID 2019, which hit Indonesian society. An economic recession occurs when a country economy deteriorates and evidenced by a negative gross domestic product or GDP. Rising employment, declining income, declining production level, reduced investment, high inflation, and negative real economic growth for 2 consecutive quarters. Although we can largely predict this phenomenon is poses a challenge for the Indonesian economy. For the picture 2 is according to statistical data from the National Zakat Amil Agency (Basnas), we can use this swap for not only the reduce poverty, improve people welfare, and encourage economic growth, but also the reduce inequality and create economic harmonization between the upper and lower classes. You can even use this swap fund as searching for development fund, scholarship, corporate social responsibility, and other needs in the economic, education, healthy, and social field. The image data above reveal that the National Zakat Amil Agency use of a digital fundraising strategy to collect this swap from 2009 to 2013 has significantly increased the number of this swap collection. Next slide.
Literature review. Understanding the fundraising strategy for Zakat, Infak, Sodako, and Wakaf Ziswaf funds. Fundraising strategy serves as a method for collecting funds and evaluation the ability of organization institution to manage their funding source. The implementation of this digital fundraising strategy aims to collect as many ZSWAP funds as possible from the community through a digital platform. There, sampling the process for Muzaki and the ZSWAP institutional workforce in collecting and managing ZSWAP fund. Next slide. Understanding of e-commerce platform. An e-commerce platform is a business process that utility electronic technology to connect companies, consumers, and associates to electronic transaction and the acts or sale of goods, service, and information. Most people prefer to conduct e-commerce through the internet due to its convenience. Next slide.
About student literacy. Literacy is a person's ability to read, write, and understand information effectively. This includes information literacy, digital literacy, and critical thinking skill. In the Whitaker's 2017 statement that good literacy will hone abilities such as critical thinking, creativity, innovation, and character. However, being able to generate and cultivate literacy is not easy. Next slide.
Conceptual framework. Number one hypothesis. When there is a evaluation of understanding the founding strategy of this web found on the literature of UNESA students. Hypothesis 2. There is a evidence of understanding the e-commerce platform on UNESA student literature. Hypothesis 3. There is a evaluation of understanding the funding strategy of this web funds and the e-commerce platform on the literature of student. Next slide.
Methodology. This research employs a quantitative approach using purposive sampling as the sampling technique, a questionnaire as the data collection tool, and multiple linear regression technique for data validity testing.
The purpose of this research is to explain student understanding of the ZISWA fundraising strategy and e-commerce platform. Next slide.
Result. Validity test result. Through validity testing, each variable can be identified in the study had a calculated R value that was greater than the R table. So the conclusion is that the question items on all variables in this study were declared valid. Then, reliability test result. In the reliability test, each variable in this study had a convex alpha value above or greater than 0.60. So the conclusion is that all variables in this study were declared reliable. Next slide. First, multicollinearity test result. Was on this table, it can be concluded that there is no multicollinearity in regression model to be studied. Then, heteroscedasticity test result. Based on the table above, it can be concluded that in the regression model there are no symptoms or problems of heteroscedasticity. Then, multiple linear regression analysis result. Based on the table above, the regression equation is obtained. Student literacy is equal to 3.971 plus 0.258 ZISWAP fundraising strategy plus 0.114 e-commerce platform. Next slide. First, t-test result. The result of the test can be seen, namely, number 1, H0 is rejected and Hi is accepted. This means that there is a significant influence between the Siswa Fund fundraising strategy on the literacy of Surabaya State University students. Number two, H0 is rejected and HI is accepted. This means that there is a significant influence between e-commerce platform on the literacy of Surabaya State University students. Then, F test result. In the F test, it is known that a H0 is rejected and HI is accepted, meaning that the independent variables simultaneously or together have a significant effect on the dependent variable, namely the literacy of Surabaya State University student. Next slide. Discussion. First, the influence of the Siswa Fund fundraising strategy on the literacy of Surabaya State University student. It can be concluded that the Siswa fundraising strategy partially has a positive and significant influence on the literacy of Surabaya State University student. Second, the influence of the e-commerce on the literacy of Surabaya State University student. It can be concluded that the e-commerce platform has a positive and significant influence on the literacy of Surabaya State University student. And third, the influence of this fund fundraising strategy and e-commerce platform on the literacy of Surabaya State University student. It can be concluded that the independent variables simultaneously have a significant influence on the dependent variable, namely student literacy at Surabaya State University. Next slide.
Conclusion. According to the research result, the statistical test of the EBM SPSS version application produces the following conclusion. Number one, the research show that the variable x1 has a positive and significant effect on the variable y with a significant values of 0.002 less than 0.5. Number two, the research results show that variable x2 has a positive and significant effect on variable y with a significant value of 0.42 less than 0.05. Number three, the research results show that the variable x1 and x2 simultaneously have a positive and significant effect on the variable y with a significant of 0.00 less than 0.5. Next slide. Acknowledgement. The research team will like to express in thanks to all participants who have helped in writing this journal. Thank you to our school, the University of Surabaya, and to our supervisor, Clara Sinta Changi, CAFP, and Dr. Maya PTA Badrul Munir, SPD MSI, at the Islamic Economic Study Program, State University of Surabaya, for her guidance. Thank you also to Academics International Dialogues for organizing this competition. The research team research that will hold help and support from various parties. In will be quite different for the author to complete this journal. As a result, the author thanks everyone who helped with this journal. Next slide. Thank you everyone for watching in the participant in Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.